If you want to generate anime images like these, and lots of images you like according to your needs without watermark and best quality, you are at the right place. Here is an AI tool on website called Yoda. It is mainly used to create anime-type images, and it also allows you to post your AI-generated art on their website. Here you can see all these images generated by this AI tool. There is no watermark, good quality, and you can generate around 50 images per day. Now let me show you how you can generate these arts. Just open the new artwork tab. Here you can see we can add prompt here. There is also option to add random prompts. Here you can see when I click on random prompt, it automatically write a prompt for me. You can see here is negative prompt box. It also write negative prompts for you, so you will get the good quality image. Here are models by artists to generate images like these, but I recommend you stay on Stable Diffusion. Here are some spells. You can also check this. Here are some settings. Don't change sampling methods. In steps, you can increase it to 100 for get image with detailing according to your prompt. But remember more. Steps gonna take more time to generate pictures. In scale, it allows you to generate image according to the instructions you give in prompt. Doesn't matter if your prompt is good or bad, it's gonna generate image. So I recommend you to not change this. Here is the size of image you can select. I am using normal portrait. Let's just click on generate to see what we can get. Here is the result. You can see how good image it generates. Everything looks good in the picture. Let's add another random prompt and generate image. Here you can see it generate me an exact image I wrote in a prompt, so now I manually write a prompt here to generate me this game character, and you can see the result. This is enough for today. I hope you learn how to get anime images in one click. Don't forget to like and subscribe Quality with AI. Share this video with your friends. I will see you tomorrow.